This is part one of our 3D box collecting game. We're going to start in Unity Hub by creating a new project. So let's go up here and click New and give your project a name. We're going to call this Box Collecting Project. And go ahead and click Create Project. And it'll create your project and then load it into the Unity editor. And once the Unity editor loads, we're going to go up to Window and go down to the Asset Store. And let's search online for our asset pack that we're going to be using in this game project. This is using the first person asset pack from Unity. So the one you'll want to search up is a Unity Technology Starter Assets using first person. So this is the first person character controller that we're going to be using, and there's some other assets in here as well, but for right now we're after the first person character controller, and then you'll want to open that in Unity and wait for that to load in your package manager, and then we need to import the package manager package into Unity. And in this particular case, there's an update for a newer version of this asset pack. So we're going to go ahead and update this package of the first person character controller. If we go down here to the bottom right, in the lower right hand corner, we'll click update and get this newest version. And then once this loads, we'll go ahead and click import and wait for the import process to complete. Go ahead and click import. And then it may ask you to restart the editor to finish the import. So if it does, go ahead and relaunch the editor. And then you should see all of these starter assets showing up in your project window. Mainly this first person controller, and come back in the next episode and I will show you how to go ahead and start building and scripting.